Welcome to the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Thursday evening, October 16th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of industry and manufacturing news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline. Contract of Knorr-Bremse Executive Board member Nicholas Lang extended by 5 years. The Supervisory Board of Knorr-Bremse AG has extended Dr. Nicholas Lang's contract for his role as a member of the Executive Board for a further 5 years, starting in October 2026. Dr. Lang, responsible for the Rail Vehicle Systems Division, has been instrumental in driving Knorr-Bremse's global rail business, showcasing strategic vision and technological expertise. The chairman of the Supervisory Board, Dr. Reinhard Ploss, commended Dr. Lang's leadership amid industry challenges and transformation. CEO Mark Listasella praised the effective collaboration among the executive board members under Dr. Lang's leadership, highlighting contributions to the company's growth and success. Dr. Lang expressed gratitude for the trust placed in him and looks forward to continuing the advancements with the executive board and colleagues worldwide.
Mission IR Newsbreaks Platinum Group Metals Ltd, NYS American, PTM, advances Waterberg amid Platinum's historic rally. Platinum Group Metals Ltd is capitalizing on Platinum's historic rally, with prices up over 40% in 2025 due to global supply constraints and increasing demand. The company's flagship Waterberg project in South Africa is advancing production of platinum, palladium, rhodium, gold, copper, and nickel for automotive, hydrogen fuel cells, aerospace, and defense industries. Supply disruptions in South Africa have tightened the market, creating opportunities for Platinum Group Metals to provide critical metals sustainably. By focusing on low-cost operations, the company aims for long-term growth in a changing market landscape. Silver Crown Royalties closes final tranche of silver royalty on PPX Mining's Igor 4 project. Silver Crown Royalties Inc. has closed the final tranche of its silver royalty for up to 15% of the cash equivalent of silver produced from PPX Mining Corp's Igor 4 project in Peru. The company paid $637,000 in cash to PPX to complete the final tranche, increasing the royalty by 3.9% to a total of 15%. The total payable silver ounces under the royalty will now be 225,000 ounces. Peter Bures, Silver Crown's CEO, stated that the PPX silver royalty, along with recent financing, positions the company to achieve positive free cash flow in 2026 without the need for additional capital. Silver Crown Royalties Inc. is a publicly traded silver royalty company focused on generating free cash flow, currently holding 5 silver royalties.
Critical Metals Corp. (NAL) lands $50 pipe deal amidst rare earths buzz. Critical Metals Corp., a leading critical minerals mining company, has secured a $50 million private investment in public equity deal with a fundamental institutional investor. The funds will be used to develop the Tanbreez rare earth deposit in Greenland, one of the world's largest. This financing strengthens the company's balance sheet and shows investor confidence. The agreement includes the issuance of 1.47 million ordinary shares and pre-funded warrants. Jet Capital Advisors and Cohen & Company Capital Markets acted as placement agents. Critical Metals Corp. is focused on producing strategic products for electrification and next-gen technologies, with projects like Tanbreez and the Wolfsburg Lithium Project in Europe.
PEA study for near-term gold producer Lafleur Minerals, Inc., CLFLR, OTCQB LFLRF, to deliver support for restarting vertically integrated Abitibi operation. Gold explorer and near-term producer Lafleur Minerals has hired global environmental consultant firm Environmental Resources Management, ERM, to provide a preliminary economic assessment, PEA, for the company's restart of gold production at its Beacon Gold Mill in the prolific Abitibi Greenstone Belt. Lafleur wholly owns the Beacon Gold Mill and a nearby exploration operation in Canada's largest gold-producing district, providing the foundation of a vertically integrated resource that also includes a fully permitted tailings storage facility. The company's recent fully subscribed equity offering and other planned financing opportunities will deliver the capital needed for the expected launch of gold production anticipated for early next year. Lafleur has already begun diamond drilling on the significantly sized Swanson site, with assays showing high-grade, near-surface intercepts, and twinning definition drilling is expected to provide confident updated mineral resource confirmation. DuPont board clears spin-off of electronics unit, Qnity, capping years-long portfolio overhaul. DuPont de Nemours has announced the approval of the separation of its electronics segment into a new publicly traded company, Qnity Electronics. Shareholders will receive 1 share of Qnity stock for every 2 shares of DuPont stock they own. Qnity common stock will trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker Q. When issued, trading will begin October 27 under the temporary symbol QWI, and regular trading is set to start November 3rd. The move is part of DuPont's effort to streamline its portfolio and focus on specialty industrial businesses. Qnity will focus on serving the semiconductor, display, and advanced materials markets, inheriting DuPont's electronics technologies. The separation is expected to benefit from the rising global demand for artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, and advanced computing.
Safe and Green Holdings Corp., NASDAQ X, is one to watch. Safe and Green Holdings Corp. NASDAQ is a diversified holding company focused on delivering innovative solutions across infrastructure, construction, energy, healthcare, and environmental sectors. The company operates across modular construction, environmental solutions, healthcare, and energy, with SG Echo relocating to a new Texas facility for streamlined manufacturing. Olenox Energy has shown strong early production results and is expanding its U.S. energy footprint. SG Modular Medical has installations at major public sites like LAX and is collaborating on scalable healthcare delivery. Safe and Green leverages proprietary Sanitec technology for sustainable medical waste management solutions. For more information on SGBX, visit the company's newsroom. InvestorWire is a specialized communications platform offering advanced wire-grade press release syndication for private and public companies and the investment community.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.